Bringing back another dollar store DIY for you guys. This was from a dorm video that I did, and the total cost of this project was $3.50. I used this cutting board on the left side, which I got at the 99-cent store, some nails, some string, and a pencil. So the first thing I did was actually just kind of trace out or sketch out a crescent moon shape, and then I went ahead and just dotted wherever I wanted the nails to be. I also added a couple of nail holes on the bottom, as you can see there, just to go ahead and allow myself to hang a couple pieces of jewelry off this or whatever I wanted to add to it. Now, I used really tiny 1/2-inch nails, which required me to go ahead and use a plier to hold it into place and then a hammer to securely press it into the wood there. And once you go ahead and hammer in all of your nails, I just went back with this black cotton cording, which I just kind of very no rhyme or reason applied it around the entire moon shape just to fill it in. I also went around the edge to give it kind of a nice clean finish, as you can see here, looping it around every single nail. This is just going to kind of finish it off and give the piece an outline. I just like the way that this looks a little bit more than when it is unfinished, and that really finishes off your jewelry hanger.